Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents.
This is the Y2K rollover. What we have here is a BM42 with the latch handle facing towards me. In this case, the latch handle is the bite handle. We're going to let the safe handle and the blade fall away from the bite handle. We're going to keep the momentum going so that it comes around the thumb. As it comes around, we're going to grab onto the safe handle and flip it back up into the open position. Once again, latch handle towards me, safe handle rotates around the thumb, flip open. That's the Y2K roll. This is a different variation of the Y2K rollover. This is done on the horizontal plane instead of the vertical plane. So you're getting a bird's eye view of this move. So again, we're holding our BM42 with the latch handle or the bite handle in our hand. This time we're pushing out to the side so that the safe handle comes, rotates around our thumb. As it comes around, we grab it. But this time, instead of merely flipping it back up into the open position, I go into a basic horizontal opening. So once again, hold on to the bite handle, flip the safe handle out to the side, let it rotate around the hand, and then move into the basic horizontal opening. And there you have the horizontal Y2K. This is the Y3K rollover. We start off with the knife in the reverse closed position, bite handle towards us, just like a Y2K rollover. And it starts just like a Y2K. We flip the safe handle and the blade out, rotate around the thumb. As the blade comes around, we insert the index finger between the spine of the blade and the safe handle. We keep the momentum going for one more rotation. That comes around the index finger, and we flip up into the open position. We can also do a ricochet at the end if that helps. Once again, reverse, close, bite handle towards me, flip the safe handle and the blade out, rotate around the thumb, index finger between the blade spine and the safe handle for one more rotation, and flip up into the open position. That's the Y3K rollover. This combination is called the Ferris wheel. It's an advanced pointer roll that turns into a stopover and then finishes with the second half of a rewind. We hold in the closed position, forward grip, holding the bite handle. The advanced pointer roll is a flip out and a rollover around the index finger. This ends up in a reverse grip closed position, which is the starting point to the stopover. And we move into the stopover, and doing a half rollover, ricochets off the index finger and rolls over the middle finger. Ricochets back. We insert the thumb for the second half of the rewind. There's a ricochet into a rollover around the thumb. Grab the safe handle and bring up into the open position. Once again, advanced pointer roll. Roll over around the index finger into a closed reverse grip. Turns into a stopover ricochet off, do a rollover around the middle finger, ricochet back, insert thumb, ricochet up into a rollover around the thumb, come back up into the open reverse grip position. That's the Ferris wheel. This is a basic twirl to thumb over. We start off with the knife in the open position. We're going to start with a basic twirl, but instead of letting it close in the reverse grip position, we're going to go into a thumb over. I'm going to flip the bite handle out and ricochet the blade off of my middle finger. You see my index finger is positioned now on the other side of the safe handle. As it ricochets back, the bite handle is now going to ricochet off my index finger, and I'm going to take my thumb so that I'm pinching the safe handle between my index and thumb. I'm going to twirl the knife, and I'm going to go into a thumb over by rotating around the thumb, grabbing the safe handle, and bringing back into the open reverse grip position. Open position, flip, ricochet, bring back, ricochet again, rotate around thumb, grab the safe handle, and up into the open position. That's a basic twirl to a thumb over. We can also start this move off in the closed position by doing a basic horizontal before the move. Start with the knife in the closed position, and we go into a basic horizontal by holding onto the safe handle and flipping out the bite handle and the blade. I turn the knife over as the bite handle is going around, and I continue the basic horizontal motion. But instead of flipping the knife into the open position, I position my finger above the safe handle with my middle finger between the blade and the safe handle. I ricochet off my middle finger and bring it back up. This is where the basic twirl thumb over starts. I'm going to ricochet the bite handle off my index finger and position my thumb on the other side of the safe handle so that I can twirl the knife and then go into the thumb over rotation, grab the safe handle, and bring back up into the open reverse grip position. Once again, forward grip closed, basic horizontal, ricochet, ricochet, thumb over, and open. That's the basic horizontal to basic twirl to thumb over combination.
Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com